Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audison and today's video is all about a Corvette C5 that we've upgraded with loads more functionality. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got the massive 10K subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5, as well as a controller, as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier, so you can actually upgrade the sound in your vehicle too. However, today's video is all about a Corvette, so let's get cracking. So this customer has actually supplied all of the equipment in today's video, but we're highlighting in this video not only the car that we've done, but also the actual install that we've done as well. So customer has bought a new panel with a new radio. This radio features wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, so loads more functionality, bringing that dashboard right up to date with all that modern technology, so you guys can actually, while driving the vehicle, stream stuff from your phone directly. You've got Waze, you've got Google Maps, you've got Apple Maps, you've got loads of functionality live directly on the new unit. Plus, it looks sublime inside the car. On this particular unit, customer's gone for like a flush look system. However, there are other radios available on the market that can have buttons on them, a physical volume up and down, because there's no steering wheel controls on the car currently. So you've got volume up and down on the actual 7-inch touchscreen inside the car now, but there's lots of different variations of this, and this is something we can actually supply and install for you guys. So if you do own one of these and you are based in the UK, we do need the car here in the UK. However, we get customers from all over the UK and all over the world transport cars over to us for full custom sound systems, as well as upgrades like we've done today. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. And remember, guys, we've got that massive 10K subscriber giveaway with that brand new PlayStation 5 and Audison Prima amplifier, so you can actually upgrade the car sound in total. But that amplifier is something that you can actually use on a car like this to actually upgrade the sound in terms of actually upgrading speakers, and then using that amplifier to drive them, giving you loads more clarity. Plus, we do loads of other upgrades for this car. So if you are interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything in a load more detail. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.